In this video, I'll tell you through how you can create a Stream account on PC and laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To create a Stream account, at the beginning you need to open Google Chrome or other suitable browser and search for Stream. Now click on Create Your Account. Once you come to the Stream website, then click on Sign In. Then click on Create an Account. Now type your email address and confirm your email address and choose a resident and checkmark on I am human and checkmark on this and click on continue. Then Stream will send you a verification code on your mail. Now log into your mail, open the verification mail and click on verify my email address. Now go back to previous window and type your Stream account name. Now enter your password and click on done button. Congratulations, you finally create your Stream account.